Hello, I'm Greg Sellers, MD at Quickbox Manufacturing. We're a manufacturer of custom cardboard boxes. We do specializing in short runs, and we supply to all sorts of industries across the UK. Before we started using Odoo, things were very complex. We had 5 different products that we were using. We used Smartsheet for production, we used Xero for accounting, HubSpot for our CRM, WordPress for the website, and WooCommerce for our web shop. All the systems worked well in their own right, but they didn't talk to each other properly. So we had a lot of duplicity going on where we had to re-enter customers' information. If there's a mistake, things had to be done twice, and often things were missed out. We ended up with issues going back to customers. We realized we needed to bring everything into one system, something that could handle sales, handle accounting, handle production, handle customer service, all in one place. Odoo stood out because this could be done through one platform with one database or one source of truth, which meant that we only had to make changes and edits once, and all the systems knew about it. To make these changes, we didn't want to do everything at once. We wanted a phased approach. So that's where Emipro came into it and brought the expertise to the table. First thing is, Emipro had the WooCommerce plugin that we needed, so we could continue using our current website, but change the back end of the system, sort out the ERP system, the manufacturing module, get all that working first before we made the big change of moving the website across to Odoo. And that's how we found Emipro in the first place, and that's where it all started. After our initial conversation with Emipro, it very soon became clear that they had the expertise, the technical backup in their team to do exactly what we needed to get set up and rolling on Odoo. Working with Emipro's been great. We've always had a dedicated project manager, and then working alongside them is a team of people, specialists that know each module like the back of their hand. Emipro have always been responsive and polite, and the response times have been very fast and worked very well with us. That said, implementation wasn't straightforward. There were times when there's misunderstandings where their team didn't understand, the Emipro team didn't understand our process and what we were doing in manufacturing, but it wasn't long before they got the concept and overcome it. So even though they were working offshore, they still managed to grasp the concept and implement. The difference moving to Odoo has been huge. We have far greater visibility across the business on a day-to-day basis, no longer copying and pasting between systems, which has massively reduced the amount of errors that we have to get through finally to the customer. The biggest result is we've been able to triple the size of our business without tripling our overheads, and this has been done purely through the use of Odoo and automation to get the whole system running right without human intervention. We could never have done this with the old setup, so it is very much Odoo that's done this for us. Looking ahead, we see our relationship with Odoo and Emipro moving forward into the future. Odoo is scalable, and Emipro has the expertise and the team size that we need to grow with our business. So you might ask, would I recommend Odoo and Emipro? Definitely we would. Both have been a great support to the business, and both we see as ongoing partners to our future growth and success. You won't go wrong with Odoo and Emipro.